for Dev. So in today's video, we can solve the union of two sorted arrays. This is a classical DSA question that are coming DSA interview round. So first right. So first we can read the problem statement. Like you are given a two arrays, array 1 and array 2. Your task is to return their union, all the unique elements that are present in the either of the two arrays. So write a efficient function using a two pointer approach. Like this is the for the efficient approaches. Okay, we also write some brute force approach also using the JavaScript function. Okay, so now like you can see the example, you can give an input to arrays or the union of the arrays are the output. Okay, so now let's go to the VS code. So now we follow using the brute force approach. So in this approach we can create extra array, so the space complexity is high as compared to the optimal approach. Okay, so now first we create a function name union array. Okay, now in this array we can pass two array. In this function we can pass two array, name array1 and array2. Okay, now what we do, we first create a combined, first we can need to combine the both array. So we create a variable name combined and we use the concat function of the JavaScript to join the both the array. Okay, so we used ar1 dot concat ar2. Okay, now we create one more array name result. In this we store the unique union of the array. Okay, so we created, now we use a for loop and initialize with 0. Okay, now the length is equal to the length of the combined array. Okay, then we can increment the counter. Okay, now we can apply a condition if the result dot includes the combined, then we result dot push the combined of I. Okay, now we return the result, now we console log it, console dot log. So we write a function like union of array, and the function there is two variable, two array. First array is 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and the another array is 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so this is the one test case. You can also you test in many test cases. So we run the function, it's working or not. So there is some type of error. What the error? So there is a include the combined function, like we, okay, we correct it, not result if the result not equal to the includes. Okay, we like we check the if condition, it's correct or not. Control Y. Okay, we check the if condition. Okay, what is the problem on the dot includes combined of I. Okay, now start, we can push result dot push combined of I. Okay, now we rerun it. So you see in the output the our union of the arrays working, like we give two arrays and they in the output they show the union of the both two arrays. So this is our first approach. Okay, so we write it in comment. So if you take the code from GitHub, for you clarity, you have clarity. So this is the approach 1. Okay, now we comment it and we use the function because we don't rewrite in the coding. There is a rule, there is don't repeat yourself. So if the code is rewrite again, you can use the code. Okay, so there is a second in this method, there is second approach. In this approach we use the set function and of JavaScript. Okay, approach 2. So in this function we directly return new set, and we spread operator, we also use the spread operator. Okay, so we done it, it's working or not. So our this approach is also working correctly, and now we use the approach 3rd. This is the optimal approach to solve this problem. For this board to approach, the like this approach is also optimal approach, but there is we used the JavaScript function, and the first approach is like bootstrap. The respect complexity of first is very high. So now finally we use the approach 3. Okay, approach 3, like first create function. This is the optimal approach. Union array, then pass array 1, array 2, then sort array 1. Now we give two inputs in the sorting array, a b, b. Now the direction is a minus b. Same for array 2. Now we apply a while loop. The I less than, here but on dot length and j less than error 2 dot length. So now we apply if condition, if error 1 I is less than error 2 I. So we apply if condition, like this is the, we apply the result condition. One more is condition, if result dot length minus 1 not equal to error of I 1 I. So result dot push error of I 1 dot I, then increase the I plus plus counter. Now else if condition, if error of I, then error of 2j, like in default for we apply j condition. Okay, now if a result dot length minus 1 is not equal to error 2. I नहीं j. So then result dot push to j. Okay, so increase the j plus plus.
नमस्कार दोस्तों, आज हम आपको बताने वाले
Increase the j plus plus.
हमने अपने क्लोज गूगल प्ले कंसोल अकाउंट को कैसे रिएक्टिवेट किया। तो अगर आपका अकाउंट भी क्लोज हो गया है,
Else
आप उसे दोबारा एक्टिवेट करवाना चाहते हैं, तो आप में टाइम बस
result
सबसे पहले
dot length
क्लोज या सस्पेंडेड क्यों पड़ता है। सी
minus 1 not equal to
से अकाउंट को मैच किया जा रहा है।
error I.
सबमिट करने के बाद कुछ दिन थोड़ा वेट करना पड़ता है, लेकिन हमारे केस में गूगल टीम ने हमारा रिक्वेस्ट एक ही दिन में प्रोसेस की।
Result dot push
Don't reactive. Oh, great news. Congratulations, Play Console account has been reactivated. Thank you, Google.
I
Reactivate करने में कोई भी
j plus plus.
exception नहीं हुआ।
Now we apply one more while condition. 1 dot length, and if result dot length minus 1, don't print minus 1 is not equal to error of I minus I. Okay, now we give the result dot push error of 1 I. Okay, so we use the same condition for while loop for the full stop, but some minor changes like 2 2 2 j j and j. And this also increase I plus plus increase J plus plus. J plus plus. I plus plus. Now return pivot. So now we write the control loop. Union array 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 7, 8. Now run the code. So there is a problem in sort. Not the problem. Like this is the wrong way. Like that I 0 0 0 delivery. Okay, so now you see on the river the union array is combined. Like this is the greater than sign. So now our code working properly.